advanced lectures for July. We've just recorded our market maker buy model longs market review video, and we're about to cover the shorts to the levels I called in the Discord a couple of days ago, I think yesterday. So yeah, let's begin. Obviously, I've already done this video, so if you haven't watched this, go and watch this before this one, or not. Really up to you. But we'll just we'll leave this on here for now. Obviously at 9:30, open up, sweep liquidity. We have SMT here, and we start to drop lower. So, like in the video for the other day, I mentioned this framework. Questions you have to ask yourself: where's the daily bias going, and what does 9:30 need to do to continue the daily bias? If 9:30 opens up here, in order to continue the daily / higher time frame bias, it must short into the IRL. And this is exactly what we did at 9:30. 9:30, we open higher. The daily bias, if we zoom out, is back up to these highs. So at 9:30, what can we ask? 9:30 opens up here, we must short into the IRL. So what did we do? 9:30 opens, what did we start doing? Start selling off. This was the first level that I called. Must have been in here. 22770. Forward tested this short to 22770, which is this level. So go and reverse engineer that, and then this would text for the execution video, which I'll post. I'll make a video for executions of like each day. Like, so today I'll post the shorts and the longs, well, and the other longs that we took into one video. So it will just be called executions for Thursday the 10th of July instead of making separate videos for each. Yeah, we came to this level. It really isn't that confusing. 9:30 opened up. In order to continue the high time frame plays, we must short into IRL, which we do. But because we used this level as a re-entry for the lower targets, which were the extreme targets, which we called yesterday, we allowed this liquidity to act as a re-entry for our shorts. So as you can see, as we get into this order block, we sell at the top of the order block, stop here, and then we ride it lower to target 1, and then the next candle takes target 2, TP. So it is very mechanical with how I trade now. I wish I'd been trading like this sooner, but it is what it is, God's plan. So yeah, it really is just utilizing the source of this image. 9:30 opens here. In order to continue the daily / high time bias, we must short to the IRL, meaning the 9:30 bias is shorts. Overall we're longs, but the 9:30 bias is shorts. And what you'll see is where we came into these levels, we then return back up to all-time highs. On NAS we did not, but on ES we definitely did, as you can see. So the model has been completed. The IRL to ERL move, and we caught the shorts to the IRL, and then we started longing up, and we also caught longs inside this area here to our levels. So yeah, hopefully this was a nice and insightful one. I've kept it simple, but yeah, that's it. And I'll record the next video for the longs inside here. But just briefly, I'll make a framework for our trade just like we did with the past video. So in the past video we went over the trade, and then we also showed the simple framework for this move. So same thing, took out ERL, moved to IRL, then long to ERL. As you can see, we had SMT on this high, over here. We then moved to IRL, long back to ERL, so the same framework. But yeah, we'll make that video, make that framework now. So technically it would be from ERL to IRL. So it would be something like this. So we move from ERL to IRL using this. Internal ERL. We're shorting off of this. So that's kind of the framework for this move. So we'll just put this in right now. Trades. One. There we go. Framework for this trade. Take out IRL. Take out this internal ERL, and we short off of it to the final target. So hopefully you learned something. I will catch you in the next video. I'm going to make a video on the final trade that we took today. A lot of work I've been doing today on these longs. So hopefully you learned something, and I will catch you in the next one.